If equipped, cruise control is designed for use in continuous flowing highway traffic, and when engaged, can take over accelerator operation at speeds over 25 miles per hour or 40 kilometers per hour. The cruise control buttons are located on the right side of the steering wheel. To activate the feature, push the on-off button. An indicator light will appear in your instrument cluster display to let you know the system is active. When your vehicle reaches the speed you want to maintain, push and release the Set Plus or Set Minus button. Take your foot off the accelerator and the vehicle will cruise at the set speed. You can adjust your set speed with the Set Plus and Set Minus buttons. Tap the buttons to change speed in increments of 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour. Tap 3 times and your speed will increase or decrease by 3 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour. If you push and hold one of the buttons, your speed will increase or decrease until the button is released. Then the new set speed will be established. Speed change is reflected in the instrument cluster, consistent with your preferred unit settings. To temporarily deactivate cruise control, press the brake button or push the cancel button. These actions will not erase your set speed memory. To resume your set speed, push and release the res or resume button. To turn cruise control off and erase the set speed from memory, push the on-off button again. It's best to leave the system off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.